If you want to download album from Spotify Music on your Android for free without any subscription, so first of all, open up your Spotify, right? And now we have to locate any album which we want to download, right? So let's open up some album. For example, this one. Press on the three dots near it, and you gotta press share. Great. Now let's press copy link. Now open up your Google and open up your Spotify main or any other services. There are many Spotify downloader services. So press open. Now insert your link and wait for the verification process. So now you can download any file one by one, or you can press download album. Great. Now let's give it some seconds. If the download doesn't start, it's not a big deal. Simply go back and let's restart the process, because those services are free. They always contain advertisement and sometimes they may not work correctly. Let's do this again. Great. As you see, it's downloading. So let's give it a little bit of time. The zip file is being created. Perfect. As you see, it's downloading. Now to find our downloaded files, we shall open up our My Files application. There it is. Now find your downloads, and there you'll find your downloaded album. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.